What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to take a quick look at Ramp. While it's still called Ramp, it will rebrand and rename to Leverfinance. The token will be called, I think, Leverfi, so just FI, and the abbreviation is unknown yet. They're still in some sort of application process and they're still building the, not the token, but on the project. I think it's an amazing project, and I definitely think they're handling it well. If you want to take a look at what's happening and what you should know, I think it's just a one-on-one exchange between Ramp and Leverfinance tokens, so you shouldn't worry too much. But if you want to check it out, just check out like on CoinMarketCap community and then Medium, and there you will find very good articles on Ramp and what's about to be Leverfinance. And I think they're handling it pretty well, so props to them. Very good project all with all. I'm not getting paid to say this, it's just my honest opinion. But yeah, we had some spikes going all the way up to like 7.5 cents, which is great, very big move. Didn't break above 5 cents, or we just broke above 5 cents, but still we are dropping down now. So I'm not necessarily sure why this move happened, because we saw this throughout, we saw this at the same time with Ramp as we did with like DIA data, and DIA data actually had some interesting news. Ramp didn't have any new news, I think, but they did release something about being listed on Binance. If you don't know, Ramp is already listed on Binance, but it was the question whether Leverfinance was going to be listed on Binance as well, and it does look like that's the case. It's not 100% sure yet, but it does look like it's the case, and I think it's going to happen too. So maybe that move was part of that. As for now though, we're dropping down to this 4 cent level, and I'm to be honest with you, I'm expecting quite a big spike from there, because it's really weird that we just broke through this 236 fib here at 4.4 cents. Because we have already broken that, but I am expecting a move, maybe not this big, like not up to 5.5, but I am expecting a move up to like 5 cents. So after that, I do expect we'll drop down lower, but in the end, I think something somewhere around here, like between 3.5 and 3.6 cents, could actually be a support which holds on longer, and the most of the consolidation will probably be between 3.5 cents and 4.4 cents. But kind of depending on the volatility of Ramp after these moves, which sometimes it is higher, we could also consolidate between 5 cents and 3.6 cents. But I don't think we can sustain these levels for now. We would really need a more bullish market for that, which I don't think is going to happen soon. I think it is more likely that we'll actually see some bearish moves throughout the market. And if that happens, so if Bitcoin drops down to 26 or 25,000, I think Ramp is also going to fall down again to this 2.8, 2.5 level, which is pretty strong. That's quite a strong level, and I don't think it's indicative of the strength of the Ramp project. As I said, check them out. They're really, I think, building a good project, and building is the best thing you can do in these markets. So it's not necessarily deserved, I think, but it's just how the market works at these points of time. So I mean, some altcoins really bleed a lot before going up again. So I do think 2.5 cents can hold for a longer period of time. Do I think it can hold in a real bear market? I'm not sure. But yeah, that was basically my analysis on Ramp for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.